Hey Kartik, just wanted to let you know, when you're cleaning your machines, make sure that the cylinders are completely dry, okay? You can put the beaters back in there and put the door on there, but you want to remove these handles, okay? And put the handles inside these bins. You can even put the beaters in here. It's probably better just to send it, with everything inside these bins, okay? Also, make sure that these seals along the door are completely clean, okay? And just put something so that the door doesn't shut after you clean it, or else whatever moisture is in there when you're cleaning is going to be trapped, and when the buyer gets it, there'll be mold inside, and these will all be moldy, okay? So make sure that this fan here is cleaned out nice, so that it doesn't look as bad as this one looks, okay? So this machine is relatively clean, but still will need cleaning before we ship it. This one's in our California warehouse. It's a different model, but I just want to make sure that you go through the machine really well with a fine-tooth comb, because obviously the buyer's paying a lot of money for the machine, and they want, they don't want to get it and have it be dirty, okay? So it's important, because if you put effort into cleaning this cabinet and then you let it close, it's gonna get moldy and it's gonna be a really bad first impression, okay? And they might hit us with a cleaning fee, okay? All right, thank you.